I remember when my Jamaican family thought I was gay, bro. These niggas was having a 5-hour sit down trying to determine whether or not I was gay, bro. These niggas was treating me like Osama bin Laden, bro. That shit was actually disturbing, bro. Mind you, I'm their family, bro. These niggas was ready to kick me out, thinking I was... It's crazy, bro. Jamaica, there's something wrong with them, bro. They was sitting there asking me the same questions. You sure you're not gay? Like, yo, y'all have issues, bro. I don't know what's going on in Jamaica, but y'all need help, bro. Okay.
Classic, push it. Push it. Push it. Ah, wait, let me push it by you. Let me push it by you. Let me push it by you. It heavy classic. It take it off of me, classic. It heavy. Take it off of me.
It a got on for you today, no. It a got on for you, no. Can you see that push where you talk about make you push it for me? Me nah make no man push nothing for me. And you talk about take it off of you. It a got on for you today. Remember me tell you that. You going dead in there with it for you today. Remember me tell you that. Oh, that. Oh. Take off for you.
Yo, bum boy!
Yeah, it's making a loud ticking noise. I think it's because of this right here.
Charging. Engine blow up. Lucky blood clot wheel. Lucky wheel. Rounded with a nice surrounding. Like how they build my sounding. Hey, girl. Let's see me I talk to you. Pass to the back, CJ. Get one new front lip cam with Insta. The stage gear upgrade the turn. Yo, CJ, pass to the bumper club back. Where is it?
Where's the house money?
It's a house.
That's not what we talked about.
It's a nice house, man.
No.
Up and house. Door gonna go up and down. House can't do that. I say you hungry?
Yes.
Just want to put something in your belly.
What you mean?
Huh?
Wait. What do you mean?
Huh?
Huh?
What you say?
What do you mean?
Mean what?
Step out that car. Step out that car.
Step out of the car for?
Step out. Can you say a time? Me have to measure it.
Why? Lightning!